I'm back in the action, ready to roll. How can I help today?
I actually have a client where they have a very good conversion rate, above 30%, but their click-through rate is 1%. They are only PPC. So my first strategy was like, hey, we're missing traffic, we're missing impressions, and that should be your priority to increase both spend and work on main images as added value. But I would like to learn your insights on what we should focus next if we know that the problem is click-through rate.
You said high conversion rate, right?
Yeah, about 30% when they were first onboarded.
Okay. And what are they now, or is it dropping?
It has been dropping. Right now, we have 25%. It has dropped 10%.
Now, the brand doesn't typically track conversion rate. They don't freak out when it goes down. But if they do, you now know to tell them it's a good thing. And it just means sales are going up. It means traffic's going up. So that's great. Let's look at the actual example.
This is one of their products.
Their conversion rate is high because of the price. Do they have bundles?
No, yes, they have, but bundles haven't worked. We reviewed some of their bundles and they didn't work.
Any ideas why?
No, you totally caught me off guard there.
We haven't even scratched this listing yet. I know that because the bullets are unoptimized, the images aren't set, etc. You probably don't need a lot of my feedback on what to do here because you're just going to run the basic plays, upgrade the main image, add a keyword, make it look cool, add a customer avatar, add some infographics, and basically triple the size of the bullet points, right? But in the case of a high conversion rate, I would not worry about it at this stage. I would say the price is 90% of the reason why it has a high conversion rate. A year from now, are still managing this brand and we've done all of our optimization work. My prediction is this conversion rate will still be north of 16% just because of the price. So don't take it as a failure if that doesn't happen. But I bet you that you'll be below 20 very soon if you do all of the right things, optimize the listing, etc. This is going to be a really easy product for us to grow, quite frankly.
One of the issues that I have encountered over the last weeks is we have seen real big growth in ad sales, like 30 to 40%, but organic sales are remaining stagnant. As this is a PPC only client, yes, I can obviously add added value, work on SEO.
We're not doing design for this guy? Oh, that sucks. Oh,
We're not doing design, not SEO, not copy, only PPC.
you just have to win the upsell. That's just bottom line, dude. Obvious. You can't even touch SEO without the upsell. So Carlos, you need to be persistent on this pitch and practice it. So with your director, I want you to pitch upselling this client for 3 minutes. And then basically the next time you talk to this brand, hopefully you have enough PPC results to be like, hey, by the way, I could double your brand sales if you just let me upgrade the listing, which has no SEO and has no design. I spoke with Stephen Pope and he was just like, man, we really need to do some work here. And I'm going to give you permission, Carlos, that if you can't win the upsell within the 3-month contract, to go ahead and offer something for free just to get our foot in the door. I'll let you decide what that looks like, whether it's a free main image, an image stack, if you have to, an A+ content, but just limit it to one thing to prove and get it done.
Yes, because as you said, their copies really has a lot of optimization to do. Their A+ content, we already have a lot of area of improvement. SEO, they are not even organically ranking for more than 100 keywords, I guess. So, okay, I will push for the upsell because I too have much faith in this brand.
The good news is we're probably going to succeed on PPC regardless. But if you can convince them, but if you basically say, hey, I bet you I can lower the ACOS by 3 to 5 percentage points if you just let us do some design work and I could double your sales. And I just want you to become a master at pitching an upsell. This brand needs our help. Like they literally need our help. We can help these guys. I want to help them. You know, if you don't win the upsell naturally, to go ahead and win it unnaturally and just deliver them something for free. Selling on Amazon doesn't have to be complicated, and we're here to make it easy for you. Just scan the QR or click the link in chat.